And so therefore, I am sent before you go down into the water. I want you to look around. Look and always around. The trees, all of those things, everything that is around is a witness this morning. And so this morning I am saying unto you, it is not a joking matter. No. It is not as I run out, then you run in. It is not something like that. When you marry, you make a commitment. Yes. Praise his holy name. And you decide that you're going to live because the marriage vow say, for better, for worse, yes, for richer, for poorer, until death do us part. And I am saying unto you this morning, yes, it is until death. Yes. Not until this is something where draw entice me high. And then me tell him, say, goodbye, me can't stay no longer with you. You make a commitment with him this morning, yes, that you're going to continue with him. Yes. So therefore, no let him down. Don't write a bill of divorcement. Praise his holy name. Praise his holy name. Praise his holy name.
Praise his holy name.
It is because of his mercy, yes, why you have the privilege to stand here this morning. Yes. His mercy has been extended. Yes. And I realize that some of you are young. Some of you are in middle age. Yes. And some of you are old. Yes. But I am saying, no matter the category you are in, he's able to keep you. Yes. Praise his holy name.
Praise his holy name.
When I look at Grandma this morning, she could be here, you know, out there, I have the tobacco in her job, you know. You never know that.
Praise his holy name.
She could have the glass, and she feel nice in the rum bar.
That's so.
And she don't know her age.
Praise his name.
I look at this young man. He could be one of them out there slinging the gun, you know.
Yes.
Because he's there here to do all of the little killing, you know. Bless his holy name.
Praise his holy name.
Yahvah rescued.
Yes.
Praise his holy name. And when I look across here, have mercy. They could find themselves, you know, in some places of amusement this morning.
Glory.
Feel good. Nobody like me. But thanks be to Yahvah. Yahvah rescue you.
Yes.
Bless his holy name. He have a better place for you. And he promised, where I am, you will be also.
Wonderful.
Heaven never help you. That as you stand here to go down into the water, may Father help you to center your heart and your mind unto him. And I know he is able to carry you through. Praise his holy name. At this time, Sister Pearl,
Praise him.
is going to be testified. Praise him.
Praise his holy name. Praise his holy name. Mighty one. Praise him.
What a friend. Hallelujah. Me this morning. What a precious friend. I have in Yahvah. All my sins and grief to bear. Know it that I travel through plenty of sickness. Yes, I could be gone.
Yeah.
Lost my way. But Yahvah sorry for me.
Yes.
I said, no, this is not the way that I should go, and lost my way.
Not at all.
Keep me all through my sickness.
Yeah.
That I can hear this morning to give up my life unto you.
All to him.
Even when I was sick, you know, and I'm in sick bed, could have just come out. Just me say, me now better go to church again, sir. Oh, yeah, gonna want me for. Nobody want me again for me too sick and holy now. I mean, I'm Christian from me did young. And one day I was dead and my house sit down. And I hear Sister Joyce come and call. And when him call him say something out of church. Come. Come. Or something out of church. Some strange brethren are going to come there. And I said, so, I'm going to wait, sir. I can't do nothing. I take me the pan. I can't bother with no salvation again. And I lay down back in my bed. And I hear a voice come to me say, hear what Sister Joyce say, put your stick under your arm and try. And try to go to church. Like the church is not far from me, you know. I used to go there when Sister Yuda Lee was Sister Yuda Lee that time was a missionary. That time he was a missionary. I was there with him. Good time in the church. And I leave and went away and come back. And after me come back, it come like the devil lead me, carry me not go back Remnant, carry me a Church of Christ. Every Sunday they give me sacrament. And I don't even understand to pray. I don't understand. I don't hungry take sacrament and sit down for if you're not in a big class, you can't even say nothing in that the church. You have to like, and I hear Sister Joyce vice man and I come. And this morning, I don't know if he is around me here, but Sister Joyce, I thank you. I thank you when you did come and call me. This morning my soul is rejoicing. I feel happy if you didn't come for me. And I don't know if I would come back to church. I would come back there for I didn't feel the devil just have me down. The devil just have me down, just weaken me and tell me that they now want me at church again for me sick and weak and I have no use. This morning I made up my mind to give up all in all to Yahvah. To Yahvah be the glory this morning. Great things he has done for me. Savior divine, I'm asking him to hold me in the hollow palms of his hand. Keep me and guide me. I couldn't walk and try to start, go back out of Remnant. Everybody's surprised. Everybody's surprised how me I'm walking. When I just go back out there, I couldn't even get up and say one thing. Me just in a chair down, so me can't move. Can't move none time. Savior, you love me, Yahvah, you love me. You love me. I feel good. I feel joyful this morning.
Wonderful. Praise His holy name. Praise His holy name. Praise His holy name.
Into this morning, Yahvah's been good. And who is merciful like him? No one. And so I thank him, for joining the sister this morning. And we continue praying for her that Yahvah's grace will see her through. At this time, I now turn over to their overseer.